Okay, you want to start with investing your money, right? Okay, that's a good move, by the way. But this is a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so whatever you do with your money, that's your business. So I'm on the app right now. What I'm gonna do is click invest. Remember, on the last videos, I deposited 100 rands in here. So that's what I'm gonna use to buy the first share, right? So what we're gonna do is go to ZAR. ZAR is just South Africa. There's no need to go there, but we gotta go to equities. And as you can see here, we have one that can buy for 0.51. One thing you would want to do is do your research. Do your research to see which company it's best to invest in. As you can see, we have choppies here, but as you can see, the line being linear is not a good sign. Not a good sign. Yes, you see these ones. These ones are performing. They're performing, but they're expensive as well. As you can see, the first one, the last price is 1,660. We don't want that. We want something that is cheap, not necessarily cheap, but affordable and doing good. As you can see, these ones are not doing good. No, they're not doing good. Okay, I don't have any equities that I think I'm interested in here, so let's leave this. Let's go to ETFs, right? Now, as you can see with ETFs, there's some performance. Okay, I like something like this. All right, so let's do with the price. As you can see, this one is performing, right? Cetrix. A lot of people have invested in this. I have invested in it before, but I took my investment out because I was broke. And as you can see here, it says remove. It means it's in my watch list. So I was planning to invest in this anyway. So what now I'm gonna do, as you can see, it's green, right? So this is not a good time to buy, if you ask me. But let me check. 3 months. This is a long-term game, right? It being a long-term game, you need to check based on time. So I'm gonna go 3 months. As you can see here, it's still going up. 6 months, still going up. 1 year, okay, still going up. Max, still going up. It's a bad idea to invest in this. It's cheap though, you can still invest, but as you can see, at its peak over here, it's around 3 point something here. So it doesn't have like a lot of payouts. It's just not for me. I'm not gonna do that for personally, just for personal reasons. So what I'm gonna do is do monthly percentage. As you can see now, it's sorted by high percentages. We're gonna do it multi-asset passive portfolio, and then click on that. Normally I would say focus on the ones that are with that have a red thingy, a red dot, not these ones. Okay, we want to invest in rands. Okay, this one is the way it's performing. I don't like that. I like graphs that actually go something like this, right? One invest. I think this one company I know, one invest. So let's click that, but it's expensive though, around 600. It's expensive. And as you can see, they're actually performing. Okay, let's go with FNB. FNB is a bank because it's a company, so they also sell shares. I mean, can go 3 months, 6 months. Nope, we don't want to invest in this because it's at its peak now. It's at its peak. We don't want that. Let's check this. It's also too high. The reason why I'm checking if it's too high, I want to see if there's a history. If like I want to buy here, there has to be a history where it performs better than current. So something like that, yeah. If I'm putting it correctly or using the correct terms, there has to be a history where it performs better than currently. Then now it's easier to trust something like that. Yeah, anyway, that's how you buy, but I'm not gonna buy any of these because they don't look good to me. So I'm just gonna reinvest in the ones that I already have. Yeah, but that's how you actually evaluate and see the best ones you can buy. So I'm gonna go with this one because it's low. As you can see, it's low, so it has the short to go to 30 rands. So right now I'm gonna buy at around 14 rands, right? Yes, so it has a potential of going high. I'm not sure if the company is going out of business or because it seems to be a risk now, but I'm gonna put the faith in it and then just buy. Okay, I'm gonna buy. Actually, buy now. Where is it? Buy now. Boom. I have how much? I have 100 rands. Right. I have 100 rands. They're gonna charge me that, so the 100 rands is not enough because it says 100 rands estimated shares 6.8, so they're gonna charge me 0.58. So in that 100 rands, I have to make 0.58. So it's gonna be 99 point 42, something like that. Yes, 99.42. Then we're gonna click this one, buy only at ask less than or equals to, right? We don't want to buy it exactly that. Maybe we might get something cheaper. Then we say buy. They're gonna give me a certificate here. They're gonna send an email right about now. Here we go. It's an email, and then yeah, you bought your first share. Congratulations, you are a shareholder now.